don't know. Sparrow's bodgy fixes again. Red sax guy. Why would you use a ball peen hammer, scissors, a bit of goon, bag on a lovely wooden clarinet. I'm starting to do some repairs, so one of the things I noticed, we've got a bit of a problem where, well, which end is which? Oh, I'd say it's this one. She kind of falls off, mate. Now we've got to fix up the cork there, but also the very ring was loose, so this one. So bit of goon, bag. Chuck it over there. And then, oh, did I get to the right way? Yeah, that's alright. A little bit of tappy tap around there. Now that we've come so far. Oh, I feel like playing some low D whistles. And if I was Jethro Tull, I'd stick my foot up here, wouldn't I? Anywho, on with the show. That's not what you signed on, is it? You see some mad guy mucking around with this. Oh, shivers, I've left that in too long. You like me cop, eh? That's almost my tartan. Oh, sometimes. Hot water. Been cleaning up stuff. Oh yeah, back to this. What was I doing? Getting a bit distracted here. A bit more of a tap down, but let's not tap it down all the way, because let's leave a bit of a gap there so we can then get the scissors around it. Oh, a bit of a tremble on. Oh, well done, brother from another mother. What a concert that would have been. John Farnham, ladies and gentlemen. Cups of tea. I think I'm on the Dilbert tea today. Oh, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and nutmeg. Hey, you know what I do? I was cutting this off when I probably should have prepared with a better knife. Oh.
Okay, I promised you a nice recipe for lunch, and I was having a look at the recipes on here, and I thought...
Sort of a bit sharper, like a razor blade. I don't trust me with knives, can you guess why? Oh man, what can I use to cut that with? No, let's not do that. People are watching. No, they're not. We haven't got anything better to do.
But it also is very, very tasty and easy to make. So, first of all, you
that's better.
need onion, some bacon.
I stole this from the kitchen. Shh, don't tell the wife.
Grated cheese. You need 5 to 6 eggs. You need a zucchini, potato, and possibly a carrot, and some salt and pepper.
Right, you see what I'm doing there. So,
and chop up your onion, peel your garlic, a couple of cloves, and
I did it with the wrong hand as well. How's that?
Chop up 2 or 3 rashers of bacon. Cook them all together in
okay, now we can now tap that. Oh, let's close it up. Let's
set it aside.
Don't worry about it.
About a cup or so of cheese.
Let's tap that down the rest of the way.
Beat 5 eggs together.
That's not bad. Ball peen hammer down. Oh, shiny, huh? Obviously we need to have air going through it. So.
And grate a carrot. So you've got all of those 3 grated vegetables all together. And then you beat your eggs.
Shall I speed this bit up?
Salt and pepper for taste.
Enjoying hearing 101.3 FM voice of Avon in the background. So it's there's Leanne on today at the moment. Following on from Bob. Now remember, all these guys are volunteers. They're giving up their time to come and bring you music, which you can hear all around the world. So if you tune into, well, you go to the website at, well, what's it, 101.3 FM, or even, yeah, well, some of the apps there, and you can listen to the radio, and you can ring up and make requests too. That's a bit bodgy, I'll fix that later. Sometimes when you put the ring back on with a little bit of tight thing, it may actually grip a little bit better. But in this case, oh actually, yes it has. See that? No, the cork's going to have to be done. And as it'll fix to stop the rings falling off. That ring is not going to come out any easier. I'll obviously clean that up. And it's used for the old goon. Oh, what sort of goon? Well, in this case, Coolabah Dry Red. Cheers. Anyway, have a good day and let's plan otherwise.